Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi S3 steering wheel. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the battery is disconnected to prevent accidental airbag deployment. Wait at least 15 minutes after disconnecting the battery. Next, center your steering wheel and lock it to prevent rotation during the process. Finally, prepare your workspace with the correct tools, such as a T20 Torx bit and a 12-point spline socket, which are essential for this task. Once the battery is safely disconnected, you can proceed to remove the airbag module. Look for two small access holes on the back of the steering wheel. Using a T20 Torx bit, gently push into these holes to release the spring clips holding the airbag in place. With the clips disengaged, carefully pull the airbag module forward. You will then need to disconnect the two electrical connectors from the back of the airbag, setting it aside in a safe location. With the airbag safely removed, you can now access the main steering wheel fasteners. Disconnect any remaining electrical connectors that attach to the steering wheel itself, such as those for the multifunction buttons. Next, use a 12-point spline socket to loosen and remove the large center bolt that secures the steering wheel to the steering column. Before completely removing the wheel, it's a good idea to mark its position relative to the column for accurate reinstallation later. After removing the center bolt, the steering wheel should slide straight off the spline shaft with a firm, gentle pull. Avoid twisting or prying, as this could damage the steering column or the wheel itself. Take a moment to inspect both the spline shaft and the inside of the steering wheel for any signs of wear or damage. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and the center bolt is torqued to specification. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.